Yeah, my topic is introduction to microservice, like what is microservice and what are the advantages of using microservice and what are the challenges we will face if we once migrate to microservice. We'll discuss about that in this presentation. And first, we'll start with this topic: what are microservice, where the application is divided into small independent services where each service will work independently and every service will communicate via using APIs. Like unlike my monolithic application, microservice will allow developer to work on independent services, make the development fast and more flexible. And we'll check with what are the advantages of using microservices. First one is scalability. We can scale the individual services as per our requirements and needs. And the second one is flexibility. We can use different technologies and tools for different services. And the third one is faster development. Teams work independently. Like for example, developer one is working on payment service means he will work on independently on that particular service. And the fourth one is resilience. We can take a real time example as a Netflix. If the Netflix, if recommendation service goes down in Netflix means user can still search and watch the movies without interruption, because it will only affect the recommendation service, not the entire application. And we'll learn about the challenges we are facing in microservices. First one is complexity. When it comes to microservice, we have multiple microservice in entire application. It is very difficult to manage multiple microservices. Second one is communication. We need a proper APIs for each service to communicate with another service. And third one is monitoring and debugging. It is quite difficult to track the issues across multiple services. And the fourth one is deployment. We required proper automated CI/CD pipeline for each microservices to automate the everything. And we'll learn about the real-time example. We'll take a real-time example as a Netflix, how it will manage multiple service and how it will be usable, and what are the result we are getting once we migrate to microservices. And we'll take in real-time this one, Netflix. Netflix has multiple microservices that each microservice, like recommendation or streaming or any payment as a subscription service, will run independently. And even though if one microservices goes down, it won't affect to entire application. It will result in high availability, faster feature updates, and seamless streaming experience for the millions of users. You can look at this image for the better understanding. I took Netflix as a real-time example. Yeah, thank you guys.